Ever made a typo when adding a recipient on Worldremit and panicked about your money disappearing into the void? Don't worry, fixing it is easier than you think. Today, we'll walk you through how to edit recipient details on Worldremit, step by step, ensuring your money lands safely where it's supposed to. First, open your Worldremit app and navigate to your recipients list. You can usually find this option on the main screen or within your account settings. Look for an icon that resembles a contact list or a people icon. Once you're in your recipient list, find the person whose details you need to correct. Tap on their name to open their profile. Now, look for an edit or pencil icon, usually located near the top right corner or next to the specific information you want to change. Tap on it to enter edit mode. Be aware that some details, especially those related to bank account information, might trigger additional security checks. You can now modify the incorrect information. Double-check every detail you enter, paying close attention to spelling and numbers. Remember, even a small mistake can delay or even prevent your transfer from going through. If you are correcting bank details, be extra cautious. Keep in mind that Worldremit may require you to verify your changes, especially for bank details. This might involve confirming your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Also, understand that some information might not be editable due to security reasons or local regulations. In such cases, you may need to contact Worldremit's customer support. Once you've made all the necessary corrections and gone through any required verification steps, tap the Save or Update button. You should then see the updated information reflected in the recipient's profile. And that's it. You've successfully edited the recipient's details. Now you can send money with confidence, knowing that it's going to the right place. If you run into any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Worldremit's customer support team for assistance.